The best way to get more views on your YouTube videos is to have YouTube promote your videos to more people on the platform. I call this views while you snooze. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how to make YouTube promote or recommend your videos. Also, later in this video, I'll be sharing with you the recipe for going viral on YouTube. Now, if this is what you're looking for, let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse. If you're new here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use YouTube to grow your personal brand or business, or generally learn stuff about YouTube, then start now by subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss anything. So what's the big deal about having YouTube promote your videos? Now, number one, apart from getting more views on those videos, more and more people are finding you. And for those who end up striking a connection with you or your content, you end up getting more subscribers from them as well. So we are on my channel right now and I'll be showing you the statistics of one of my videos. And there would go to the analytics. So here we are. The video so far has 454 views. Of course, keep in mind that this is a very small channel. Now let's check the tab that says reach and then look at this funnel right here. Okay, so this video so far has had 7,100 impressions. Impressions meaning the number of people that have seen your video on YouTube. And then you can see here that 79.5% of this number is from YouTube recommending this video. Now to the big question, how does this work and how can you get results like this on your channel? Okay, so now we are going to mouse over the info icon here, and here you can see YouTube breaking down the numbers. But what I want us to see here is the explanation of how this happens. So YouTube says you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. What's your click-through rate? So your click-through rate is the number of people that see your video on YouTube and click right on it to watch it. So you want to make sure you push that proportion as high as possible. So now if you want to improve your click-through rate, you want to make sure that you have a very good thumbnail design and your title is compelling. In the description area below or up here, I have a video where I shared 5 thumbnail hacks for getting more views on YouTube. You want to check that out and learn how to create eye-catching thumbnails, okay? Thumbnails that can stop the scroll, right? And remember, a part of your click-through rate is also your titles. You must know how to craft compelling titles for your videos. Now, I do not mean clickbait, okay? Don't promise what you're not going to deliver in your videos, because when people click on your video and you don't deliver on that, it negatively affects your watch time, which is the second criteria we are looking at here for getting YouTube to promote your videos. So what you want to do is make sure that your video has very good content. You are able to hold people's attention and help them watch the video to the end. As many as possible that can watch the video to the end would help you increase your watch time on that video. And so these are basically the 2 things that YouTube wants to see happening on your video to promote it to more people. Now, if you've been getting value so far, I want you to smash that like button below and let me know. Okay, so now to the recipe for going viral on YouTube. I know you've been waiting for this. Now, if you want to have a video go viral on YouTube, you need to still work on these 2 criteria, your click-through rate and your watch time. However, the numbers have got to be really impressive, okay? So the average click-through rate on YouTube is between 3 to 5%, but viral videos have click-through rates going as high as 20-25%. And also, while the average watch time of YouTube videos is around 20-30%, videos that go viral on YouTube have watch time durations of 50, 60, 70%. Hey, now if you can combine a very high click-through rate with a very high watch time, then you are onto a viral video. Now remember to check the video in the description below or in the card up here where I shared my 5 thumbnail hacks for getting more views on YouTube to learn how to level up your click-through rate. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it. Bye.